All right, let's just do a refresh on dictionaries real quick. Oops. New password of type string equals, let's go password. Then we'll go char dict equals new dictionary. Then for char in new password if new password, whoops, account char greater equal, then what is it? 2. We'll go char dict key char equals char dict dot get char value plus 1. Okay. Print char dict, run that, boom, there you have. It's a quick dictionary. Okay, I just want to show you guys something pretty cool as well. Okay, let's go new dict equals like this. You know what, let's do it this way first. New dict equals boom. Okay, we'll go okay, list, list, list. Actually, let's just do 2. Make it simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. No, let's keep it that way. We'll go comma B. Okay. List, list, list. 9, 9, 11, 12. All right, so this is what you might see something confusing like this. Let's just make it a little easier. Like this. This. Oops. Oh my goodness. Actually, let's tab these in once too. Okay. So now let's go like this. Okay. So how can we access these values? We'll go print, new dict. All right, so we want to get to row A or row B. Let's go to row A first. Okay. Now, which row do we want to go to? Row 1 or 2? We'll go 2. So these are index based. So 0. And this is 1. So we're just going to go like this. 1. And then which column are we going to in row 2? We'll go to the second column, which would also be 1 because it's index based. And let's just print that. Boom. Now let's say we wanted to do the same thing here. We go to B. And then we go to row 2. Row 2. And then we go to column 2. So 0, 1. Then we should get 11. 11.